Yeah, hi guys, good morning. Today we'll see how to test the Apex, right? So under the Apex test module, right? So we have a unit test is there. So let's see how we can test the program. Okay, so what we have to do? So we need to create a class, right? So that is a verified date. They already given the code. Right. So next, so place the unit test in the separate test class. Right. We have to create a test class and we need to check 100% code coverage. Right. So let's create. Right. Copy the name of the class. Go to the developer console. Open the developer console. We need to create a class. Right. So go to File, New, and Apex class. The class name that is verified date. Right. So we created a class now. So next, what we have to do? So we need to copy paste the code. Right. See, this is a verified data, right? I click on here, copy, then paste the code. That's it. Save it. Right. So next, what we have to do? It is we need to write a test class for this. What was the class name? What was the class name? Test verify date. Just copy the class name. Go to the developer console, file, new, Apex class. Click on OK. Got it. So now we are writing the test class. We are writing the test class. So how you can define this is the test class? Right, a simple. So just you have to write a at the rate is a test. At the rate is a test. So whenever you're defining at the rate is test, then system will consider this is a test class. Got it? Right. So this is a test class. This is a test class. User to test the verify date class. Clear? Right. So next what we have to do? So we need to create a method. Right. So this is a test method. This is a test method. Right. How to create a method? A static test method. Right. While you can provide any name. Just I'm calling a test method one. Test method one. Clear? Class and method. Class and a method. Right. So next what we have to do? See here. So place the unit test in a separate test class. Got it. So you need to get 100% code coverage. Run your test class at least one. Now you can go to developer console and see here. This is date one. Right. Okay. So method to check the date to within the 30 days of date and need to return the end of the month given by the date. Okay. Right. So 30 days. Right. Now we can come here. See here. So first, right, let me write the program. Date d date d equals to. So what was the class name? What was the class name? That is verify date, right? So verify date dot verify date dot check dates. Verify data dot check dates. This is the method, right? In this class, in this method, check date, right? Now a system dot today system dot today comma system dot today today date dot add days. Add days, how many days? One day. How many days? One day. Got it. So today date plus one day. Next, date d1 equals to date d1 equals to, right? So verify date, check dates, same thing. Got it. So now here I'm adding 60 days. 60 days. Got it. So now, So what is this? Call the call the check dates methods. Call the check dates method with today's date and tomorrow's date. Today's date and tomorrow's date. Next, since tomorrow date, right? Since tomorrow is within 30 days, within 30 days, right? So next, the result should be the result should be where in the day two, in the day two. Got it? So simple. That is today plus one. Today plus one. Today plus one. Right? So what about this? What about this? See here. Call the check dates methods. Check dates method. Got it? So with today's dates, today's date, and today's date, and a date 60 days later. 60 days later. Got it? Since since 60 days is outside the 30 days window, outside the 30 days window. Got it? So then what we have to do? The result should be the last day of the current date. Sorry, current month. Last date of the current month. Clear? Simple. Simple test class. Save it. We saved this. Now let's see here we have a test. So as of now for this test verify date we have a 0%. We have 0% code coverage. Let's go here, the test, click on here, run all, click on here, run all. Right, so now we got verified date is 100% code coverage. 100% code coverage. Right, so now you can go to your trailhead. Let check this challenge. Done. Right, so we successfully completed. So how to test a class? Right, next